Hi everyone, not sure if you can see that, but I'm at Hobbycraft in a different town, so I'm going to give it a try and see what they've got here. Obviously they're going to have the same sort of stuff, but sometimes they have different yarn and stuff, so I'm going to have a little look. I'm in Rochester, Strood, and well, let's have a little look. Let's go in. I'm going to pause it for a second. Okay, so the yarn is over in the corner where it always has been, which is cool. Got a few people around, which I do get a bit embarrassed about. Oh, seen something I might want in the cooking department. Okay, so let's have a look. What have we got? We've got the 3 for 2 on the cotton blend. That feels quite soft. So they are £3.50. But on a 3 for 2. One thing I didn't get is a basket. So we've got all these colours. That's quite nice. Nice soft cotton blend. But how much is a blend? Let's have a look. What is it? There we go. 50-50. 50 acrylic and 50 cotton. Nice and snowy white. Oh, went the wrong way. Never mind. I'm being followed by a staff member. Bit off-putting that. Got some of these, £15 a pop, no thanks. Get them cheaper online. Oh, got some nice mandalas. Let's have a little looky. I think I've got this one already. So they're now £9. They've gone up in price. They're still doing this, change it up. I like this yarn. I've got a few of these, different ones. That's interesting. This is Hayfield Bonus Aran Tweed, but it's nice, subtle little colour blend, and those are £13. So, okay. Didn't see me do that, did you guys? No, of course not. Ooh, what are these? These are cute, very cute. These are the Rikarumis. That is very sweet, isn't it? But those are £4 a time. Wow, that's a lot for this little bit of yarn, isn't it? Wow, I'm a bit spun out by that. I'm looking for like 50 gram ball for £4. As nice as it is, it's going back. It's going back, guys. It's going back. Okay, so we've got the jewel spun. Oh, is it? Yeah, jewel spun. I like that colour, that's pretty. We've got some Hayfield Bonus at the bottom, all the bonus breeze, which I thought was being discontinued ages ago. And I'll put mine on special offer, but obviously it's still going. £2 what? 90? No, £2.50 for the bonus Aran. It's nice and soft. I'm not looking for Aran today, I'm looking to match up. One of the reasons I wanted to come in, I'm looking to match up this. The denim one that I've got is slightly wrong colour, really, and that's the problem I've got. They don't tend to kind of be dark enough, so I'm going to have a good look around, see if I can find it. That's nice. That's like that oatmeal yarn that I used to have from Poundland. Do you remember the Knitting Essentials? Hug It Out's now got that kind of vibe. Different I suppose. I've seen the prices have gone up quite a lot in here, I have to say. I do notice that. And we've got the Shush yarn, and that's still at £4. Got nice colours in that. I will stock that one of these days, probably just in time for it to be the end of it, but I don't really want to go to too many different suppliers. Not having much luck so far matching that up. This is pretty. £3.50 for the James C. Brett marble. I can't get it back in. Wow, that's a nice colour. Look at that. Oh, perfect for my website. That colour. As you can hear, the kids are on school holiday. Wonder if that one down there will work out. Well, that one. No, it's slightly not dark enough. And there's this one. a little better, but still not dark enough, I don't think.
I think it might be more. I'll put it back down.
Let's have a look at these while we're down here. Although my knees are saying get up now, whatever you're doing down there.
Put it that way with the knife.
Not really having a lot of luck matching this. Not so far. I thought that one might work out, but because I remembered that yarn. I suppose it's better than most that I've seen. But it is more of a teal. That's the thing, you see, this is a very dark, like jeansy colour. It's better than most. It's the one I had in mind. So I'll keep looking for now. Other side. We've got the Women's Institute yarn. Wondering if there'll be one in that. Many pastel shades, 3 for 2. 280. It's 2 green. Aha, maybe that one up there will be alright. Well, I think it might be Aaron, which wouldn't. Let's see. Too dark. Can you believe it? Too light, too dark. I still think the other one is probably the best bet. So 3 for 2 and they're 280. That's still a good price. So a lot of them have gone up though, I've noticed. Well, at least I found one that I can fall back on. And they do have, this is the one I came in to see if they had this colour in, and they do. So that's pretty cool. Now this is £4 per ball. But it is nice. And this one was on special offer on my website. Don't know if there's any left, but there that was. And we've got the sparkle and the blooms, all the same things that you normally see when I do the shopping trips in my local. But that's it. Oh, hang on, got some more. How strange is that? We've got this little bit, 3 for 2 again. Sirdar Snuggly at 3 for 2. They are £3.50. Beautiful and soft. I mean, you can't really. One of the first yarns I ever used, Peter Pan, Sirdar, and the Snuggly is really gorgeous. So along there we've got all ribbons. We've got fat quarters and sewing machines, and behind us a lovely array. Oh, I like the black one, and that one's pretty snazzy. So yeah, they look like they do everything for you, but I've still not used mine. You know, all that time I've had it and still not used it. We've got accessories, and I quite like these blanks, because wouldn't it be great just to buy this and then you could make your bag and that's your liner? Fantastic idea. And it's got the handles on it already, so that's just a brilliant idea. But in some cases they're just too expensive. So this one's even got like zips, but you wouldn't see it, would you, unless you worked around it. So let's see, how much is that? £7. See, just too much to actually use as a blank. And this one doesn't have a price on it, so I don't know about that one. So yeah, good idea, but they need to knock down the price considerably. We've got patches and books, crochet books and knitting books, making soap. That's quite a nice little book. I often fancy doing that, you know, making a bit of soap and making candles. Used to do it at school and enjoyed it, but it's not really something you see around much. Then we've got wadding and stuff for quilting, and now we've got a free aisle. So I've not seen this yarn because this was up the other. Isn't it weird how they've interspersed it with got little bits of yarn here and there? But I don't think anything here is going to be the right colour. This is the patterns, however you want to say it, but totally the wrong type of yarn because it's cotton, so it wouldn't work even if it was a really good colour. What's this one? Again, it's only natural cotton, bit rough anyway, just saying. So yeah, then we've got all the patterns are set out different in this store. They're all up in the kind of top rail. We've got the needles and the hooks, which are never much to write home about, I have to say. They don't sell the nicest ones. Not like hobbyrocks.co.uk, where you can get snazzy hooks. Here you just get bog standard. And that's okay if you like that and that's what you're used to. But once you get once you start using the ergonomics and you get a bit of a nice slippy hook, that's it. From that moment on, you're sold on them, aren't you? So yeah, nice lot of baby yarn. Do you know I've lost Gary, guys? Got out of the car and I was getting myself settled and all my stuff out. I turned around and he'd gone, and so I thought, well, he took the key with him, so I can't even lock the car. How ridiculous is that? I have no idea where he went. And there's lots of shops around here, lots of places he could have gone. I have no idea. He was nowhere to be seen. I'm going to have to go find him, which is not going to be easy, but I'll have to ring him or something and see if I can find him. And I just, 1 minute he was there, and the next minute he was totally gone. Absolutely gone. So in a way, I think they've got less here than my usual little boxes and crates. Little cute ones. We've got things where to put your notions. I like that word, notions. And we've got stools, hobby boxes. That one's yeah, so you can put your bits and bobs in. Storage ideas. And we've got a tree, decorative white twig tree. It's £17, but obviously you can jazz it up. So we've got more storage boxes and stuff. Dog accessories. And we've got the cross stitching and the silks. So yeah, I think their yarn area is less. They've got a nice baking section, which my daughter-in-law Victoria will just be drooling over. So that's it then. That's all I've got to show you. I will possibly buy a few bits and do a separate video and show you what made it in the basket. But first of all, I've got to go find a basket because I didn't get one. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.